Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will start new topic. Let's name simplification for class 6 and 7. Okay? And firstly we will study about DMAS rule. Means division, multiplication, addition and subtraction rule. Understood? Firstly we solve division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Understand? Then for example, like firstly we solve the firstly we solve the division. Then we write to this way minus. This is the division. 2 divided by 7, 14 means 7. Okay. Then we do multiplication. 7 for the 28 minus 7. Then we get answer. This is the minus. Understood? 28 minus 7 means 21. Understood? This is the answer. And this firstly do division, then write all step. 3 divided by 6 divided by 3 means 2. Then we do multiplication. 6 to the 12 plus 4 minus the 2. Understood? Then now we will do first addition. This is the plus, this is the positive number and this is the positive number. 4 plus 24 minus 12 minus 2 equals 28 minus 12 minus 2. Understood? This is minus and this is minus minus plus. Okay? Minus plus. Then what happened? Minus plus, then sign is negative, and 14 and 2, 12 and 2, 14. Minus equals 14. Understood? And the third example is, firstly we do division. Okay, then we get 5 into 3 plus 4 minus 11. 5 is 15 plus 4 minus 11. 5 for 19, 15 for 19 minus 11. We get 8. Okay? Have you understood? Then we move forward. When we move forward, the operation of off. The operation of off. What is the operation of off? Off means multiply. Off means multiply. Like it 4 of 5. 4 of 5. 4 into 12. Like it 1/3 of 3. Like it 1/3 of 3. Means 1 upon 3 multiplied by 3. Understood? And now we will study about BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. B means bracket, O means off, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. Understood? DMAS rule. Then DMAS rule. Understood? We add only bracket and off. Now we will study about the types of bracket. Now we will study about the types of bracket. Types of bracket. First is small bracket. The sign of the symbol of small bracket. This. Second is curly bracket. This is the curly bracket. Third is square bracket. This is the square bracket. And fourth is bar. Firstly we solve the bar. Understood? Firstly we solve the bar. Okay. Then we solve this small bracket. Then we solve curly bracket. Then we solve square bracket. Understood? And now we will take some examples. I will write some examples now. These are some examples. Then we solve the first. 7 minus 3 into 7. Firstly we solve bracket. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 4 into 7, 7 4s are 28. 28 is the answer. Second, 5 into 6 divided by 3 equals, firstly we do divide 5 into 2 equals 10 is the answer. Third, minus 7 plus 13 divided by 3 equals plus minus plus 6 divided by 3 equals 2 is the answer. Fourth, 50 minus curly bracket 50 minus curly bracket 13 plus 2 bracket small bracket 4 of 4 small bracket curly bracket. Then 50 curly bracket 13 plus 2 4 of 4 means 16. Yes, curly bracket. Now this is there is no sign means there is multiply. 16 to the 32. 50 minus 13 plus there is no sign, then there is multiply. 16 to the 32. Okay. Curly bracket 50 minus 5 and 4 45 equals 5. Okay. Now this is correct. Okay. This is the end of the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.